In this quick tip for Illustrator on the iPad, we're going to take a look at how to move an item to a new layer. So let's first take a look at the layer structure of this file. Here we've got the layer tab and they are all on the same layer. So there are two different methods, and for the first one you can select this item, go to the Edit tab and then cut this item. It's now in the clipboard. And let's move this to a different place. And then you can open the Layers tab, create the new layer, which is now selected, then go to Edit again and then Paste. And you see that this item gets pasted into the same spot, even though I have moved the artboard around here. Now there's another method, and for that method you create the new layer. It's now highlighted, and then you can just grab the item and move it on the layer. So that is the second method. And now you can choose a method that suits your needs.